This is TWiT. We need, and frankly, because I was running late, I didn't have breakfast. So thank goodness Mary Jo Foley's got a beer pick.
I was going to say, you know, in deference to Terry, maybe I could have my first beer in like 16 months.
Yeah, toast.
I think you should.
Toast one to Terry.
Yeah.
Sure.
Right. We're pouring one out for Terry in this beer pick. Founders KBS. They do it every year. It's Kentucky Breakfast Stout, and the newest batch is just out, the 2018.
I know you like this because I think you picked it last year, right?
I think I did. Yeah. So last week we had a spring beer pick, but it's time to go back to winter because we've had snow out here, out east, and Lord. It feels like kind of a Windows winter after last week's announcement. So if you do want one last winter beer pick, this is a really great one because it's aged in bourbon barrels with chocolate. That tastes like chocolate and vanilla and coffee and bourbon all mixed together in a delightful swill.
And swill, by swill, you don't mean pig slop. You mean
I do not.
A beverage. Yes.
I do.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, I just got to try it yesterday. It's on tap at Rattle, or it was anyway. It's 11.8%.
It wasn't
until
Mary Jo showed up and drank all of it.
I know. I'm like, Windows Weekly. Yeah, 11.8%. Not light. You're not going to drink a lot of these.
It must be confusing for people who walk in a Rattle and for the first time in their lives and have no idea what's going on.
You should see people. It's hilarious because they hand them this. They hand them a beer menu with 40 beers on it, and they're like, "Yeah, which beer do you want?" You know, people usually are like Bud Light.
Right.
Oh, so what I meant was more along the lines of we were taking pictures of people in a bar one time, and this woman leaned into me. She goes, "Are you guys famous?" And I said, "No, no, we're not."
Is that because when you go in, everybody knows your name, and they go, "Hey, Paul! Hey, Mary Jo, come on over, have a seat." I
mean, Mary Jo lives there; it's her second home.
Yeah,
it's our cheers. It's our cheers. Yeah. They know you too, Paul. They all know.
No,
I
know.
This sounds
so
really
KBS.
Good.
If you,
why is
it's
stout
around,
for winter though? I mean, I think you could drink that year round, couldn't you?
You could, although like a bourbon barrel one is kind of on the heavier side and kind of gives me a feel of winter. I don't know if I'd drink it in the summer, but I'm sure you could
drink it in Spain. You know, it's
yeah, no, you're right. That makes sense. You want a lighter beer, a wheat beer or something in the winter. Yeah,
I think so.
I mean, the summer.